Hi, this is Miss B from the library, and I'm here to show you how to get to your classes. If you have a school computer, you can go to My MNPS, and there you will find a link for Schoology. You'll double click on the link. Oopsie. You won't have already logged in. So we're going to do this again. We're going to double click on Schoology, and it's going to make us log in. And what you have to do is you have to type in your username, and you have to put at mnpsk12.org. You have to put your whole email address, and then you type in your student number, and then you click sign in. If you don't have an MNPS computer, you can get there from a couple of different ways. You can just type in mnps.schoology.org. If you don't put that MNPS first, it's going to take you to the wrong place, so you need to put that. Another thing you can do is type in overtonlibrary.com and go to the student resources section. And if you scroll down, you'll see a link to Schoology. That's an easy way, overtonlibrary.com. So once you get to your Schoology, you'll see all of your classes. So you just click on your class, and this is what I click on to actually go to class. On Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 12:20, I have a live class with Mr. Blankenship. Every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, I'm going to sit in front of my computer and go to class and be in a class with Mr. Blankenship. My office hours means if I have a question or I need him to help me with my homework, I can go to his office hours. I'll click on this, and he and I will be on a computer discussion. He has office hours from Wednesday and Friday from 12:20 to 1:40. And this is where I'm going to see all of my homework. So here is a little welcome video. Here are the announcements. Here's a video he made about how to submit an assignment, and here's my first assignment. If I click on it, I'll read the instructions, and then I will be able to complete the assignment. So that's how you do it. And be sure to let me know if you have any questions. This is Miss B, and I'm happy to help.